Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Awesome Math number 11.
Awesome Math number 11. This is going to be a prime mishmash because we were in the review section of the book, the number theory book today, and so we were talking about review problems on primes. Okay?
Yep.
Question number 1. How many prime numbers are multiples of 20?
Well, the multiples of 20, 20 is a multiple of 2 and because 20 is even.
20 is a multiple of 2 because 20 is even, that's right. But we want to know how many prime numbers are multiples of 20.
So like 40, 60, 80.
Right,
Those,
that's right.
all of those are going to be even.
All right.
And there's only one even prime number, 2.
What is that? Okay.
It's 2.
All right, so how many prime numbers are multiples of 20?
None.
None. Ding, 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 ding. High five. How many prime numbers are multiples of 5? Ooh.
Well, the multiples of 5 are like 5, 10, 15, 20. But if you have a multiple of 5, it's always going to be 5 times something.
Yep.
Just except for 5 times 1, which is 5. So there's only 1.
Ooh, I thought I was going to trick you with that one. But,
Nope.
want me to reveal the answer?
What?
1. 1 prime number is a multiple of 5. It is?
Yes.
What? It
5.
is 5. Right, good job. You are 2 for 2. Now, for the ultra challenge. Are you ready? You need a deep breath?
No.
What is the smallest prime number dividing this crazy number? 7 to the 124th plus 13 to the 907th.
Dividing into that?
Yeah, so this is some number. 7. Do you remember what the 124th power of 7 is?
No.
Do you remember what the 907th power of 13 is?
No.
Didn't I tell you to memorize those last year? Okay, so it's some number, right? Some big number plus some other big number gets us some number. And the question is, what's the smallest prime number that divides into that number?
Well, I think it's 7. Because 7 you can multiply by something to get to this big number since it's included in here.
Okay, well that's true, except like 21, which is a multiple of 7, plus 13, which is 34, is not a multiple of 7.
Mm.
But that was an interesting thought.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a very sneaky little problem. You have to figure out, because we don't know what this number is, right?
Yeah.
And we don't know what this number is. We have to figure out if there's anything we know about those numbers. Is there anything you can tell me about 7 to the 124th power?
I think it's going to be odd.
Why?
Well, because 7 times 7 squared is 49, and that's odd.
Okay.
So then they might all be odd.
Okay. What's the rule about an odd number times an odd number?
It's always odd.
It's always odd. Okay. So, okay, that's a good thing to know about this number. About 7 to the 124th, it's odd.
And this number is going to be odd too.
Okay.
Well, it's the same thing. An odd times an odd, 13 times 13, is going to always be an odd.
Okay, so we have an odd number times an odd number 907 times. So I have an odd number plus an odd number,
It's going to be even.
which is even. So what's the smallest prime number dividing into this gigantic number?
2.
2. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, and that's also the smallest prime number.
Yeah. We don't know what this number is. We don't know what this number is, but we know it's odd. We know this number's odd. And we know the sum is even. So it's divisible by 2. Okay, so there you go. Good thinking. Prime mishmash. Alright. Start a new section tomorrow.